You ever buy an IS300 because you want to turbo it because 2JZ? Then you're driving one day and the cat explodes. So you go on eBay and you buy an $80 header and a $100 white pipe. I'm that guy. Hey guys, welcome back to Car Guy Fridays. Today I'm working on my IS300. Something happened and it's lost all the acceleration. You hit the gas, it really doesn't go anywhere. I felt the tailpipe the other day when it was just idling and there's basically no exhaust coming out. The likelihood is the catalytic converter or converters, depending on how many are bad, are clogged. Even though I'm planning on turboing this car, I'm just deleting all the catalytic converters off of it at this point. So I'm gonna replace the catalytic converters with just some eBay stuff. That's a Megan Racing Y-pipe. And this is some random eBay stainless steel header. Let me show you what I'm working with here. I got a couple of things off already, but you can't get those off. They're beyond repair. Same thing with these back here. Gone beyond belief. There's nothing you can do to get those out except just to cut them out. Got Mr. Sawzall here. He's gonna assist us in getting those bolts out. I took a Sawzall and I actually cut the exhaust manifold where it bolts to the stock Y-pipe. That actually lets you take each of these exhaust manifolds off individually, which makes it pretty easy to get them out. Here's our culprit, this cat right here. Let me see if I can shake this thing around so you can hear it. Whatever's inside that cat's completely dead. I do need to run to the auto parts store to get a gasket for this section here. I got the gasket that they called for. This is what, and I got this from AutoZone. This is what the gasket they actually called for. And yeah, I mean that doesn't fit. Aww. So probably just gonna get a flange gasket to go around this whole thing here. It's good to know that one of the cats actually did fail, because I was pretty sure, but you never know for sure. So there's always that risk of you're putting all these parts on the car to fix a problem and you don't fix it. And that sucks. The fact that one of these cats is completely dead makes me feel really good. What? So we're taking all the oxygen sensors out of the old, oh goodness gracious, manifolds, and sticking them into our new eBay manifold, and I'm gonna throw it back in the car. I'm trying to decide which gaskets to use. These are the gaskets they come with, and these are like, this style of gasket is not that great. From the factory they use an MLS style, like a 3-piece. Even though these are old, I have a feeling that this is going to be better than this. Doesn't act like it really wants to come out real easy. Well, too bad. You're going to. Sorry to say, you're coming out. Oh my goodness. Why? Get the hammer. Get the dynamite. Upset, unhappy, didn't want to come out. Let's just get the ratchet on it. Why are these gaskets not fitting? I guess I should have just left them on there. They were on there, so I know that they do like to fit on there. What the hell? Just don't film this part, man. Sorry. I don't know why it won't fit on there. Header's going in the car. I already hate this header. I already hate it. So like, here's the problem. It's probably a little bit warped. It will fit on this back portion, but then you can see it doesn't want to go all the way on. Like, it either fits one way or the other. So we're gonna have to get creative with a pry bar or a hammer or something. I mean, what can you expect for $80 eBay headers? So anyone that's putting these DNA headers in their car, just get prepared for this part. So this eBay header still won't fit, and we're gonna drill the holes out. Yeah, all these little holes there that I bolted to the manifold, we gotta just enlarge them just ever so slightly. And then what we're hoping is, after we enlarge these holes a little bit, that it'll actually fit. It doesn't need a lot, just a little bit. Good?
We'll see in a moment.
All right, here you go.
Maybe we'll go bigger. Back out it goes. We'll find a bigger drill bit. So that didn't work. We're going to move from a 15/32 drill bit to the 1/2 inch, which is 2 steps up on here. That should give it enough room to be able to have enough flexibility to work its way in. That'll be closer.
I hope so. Yeah, I don't know if I got time for this, but when you buy eBay stuff, I think you have to make time for it, don't you? Take 7, let's see if this fits. We just made the holes quite a bit larger.
We just wallered them all out.
Yeah, that's how you say it in Kentucky.
Wallered.
Yeah, I don't even know if that's a word in California.
Waller.
But here in Kentucky, man, we waller stuff. Don't you forget it.
It's a lot closer.
It's definitely closer.
I made a bigger drill bit.
Nope, we're gonna make this work. It's gonna go on there like one way or the other. I don't know.
All right, pull it back out.
No.
Next size up.
We didn't quite get it on camera, but here's what we did. We just barely threaded a nut in on this side and then just hard as we could and gave it a little push and she's on. So let's tighten it down and then we'll get under the car and put the Y pipe on. Hopefully those bolts will bolt together. I don't know what the... Huh, yeah, that's good. eBay quality, baby.
Is that HKS? No.
Big and racing, baby.
But I keep it clean.
Yeah. Are those 20s? No, they're 12s, but I keep them real clean. Well, I was saying earlier, I wasn't actually excited to see what it's going to sound like and be like, but it's still mods and there's still like a little bit of excitement, you know? Just wondering what it will be like. So I'm going to take it for a drive, find out. Wow. It sounds like it has just a giant exhaust stick somewhere.
Yeah, it does. In the middle of the car.
I'm gonna hammer right here. Wow, it's way quick. It would have never done that before.
I know, I was like, oh, going sideways.